kasama ko ngayon si Ma'am Ana Manrique from Moonbake. Dati natin itong sponsor sa laing niya, di ba? So, years ago. That was 2006-2007, about that time. So, Ma'am, ngayon, ang business mo about, let's talk about it.
We're still making chocolate crinkle cookies. It's available in our grocery stores and supermarkets. Brand name is Chocolitos.
Chocolitos, ayan. Mamaya siguro matitikman natin yung Chocolitos. Though, nag-ano kami sa sweet eh. Matatamis, nagbabawas.
Binawasan na rin naman ang
sugar niya. So, anong gamit mo sugar? Brown sugar ba yan? Ayan. So, aside from that, you mentioned you also have some other businesses po. Ano po?
Yes. So, it's another company named Drytech Manufacturing Corporation. We dry sari-saring vegetable leaves like dahon ng gabi, dahon ng malunggay para sa cooking requirement. So, it's clean and ready to cook already.
Ayun.
Being exported.
Ayun. So, yung mga dried leaves to, Ma'am.
Yes. So,
that's
vegetable leaves.
Ayan. So,
kung gagawa ka ng laing, meron tayong pinuyo na ready to cook na, no need to wash. Ang brand name naman yan, Shintaro. It's available online. At saka a few Robinsons supermarket.
That's nice. So, yung mga ganun. Pero meron pa rin mga export pang iba na mga for more on a floral or more on a pinakain ito, Ma'am?
More on food.
More on food talaga. So, yun, being exported in what countries po?
Middle East, Australia, USA.
That's nice. So,
for the Filipino market.
For the Filipino market. So, that's Miss Ana Manrique from Moonbake, and the other company is
Drytech Manufacturing Corporation.
Ayan, thank you very much, Ma'am.
Okay,
thank you very much.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.